In this video, we will cover how to create a single product site verification planting configuration on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Planting. Under the Configuration tab, press the Add button. Select the correct vehicle from the list. If the correct vehicle is not already in this list, press Add and create one. Under Select Implement, press the Add button. Select the correct planter/seeder type. Select the correct attachment method. Press Next. Press the box next to planter section clutch control if this is being used. Press Next. Enter the correct number of rows and row spacing. Press Next. Enter the number of implement switches and press Next. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the distance from hitch to application point. Press the green check mark. Press Next. Press the keypad button and enter the implement's name. Press the green check mark. Press the green check mark again. Under Select Operation Type, press the drop-down arrow and select Area Logging Site Verification. Press Next. Select the implement switch polarity, and if none is being used, select None. Press Next. Select the correct ground speed sources. Your primary ground speed source should be set to GPS and your backup should be set to radar. Press the green check mark. And as you can see, our new site verification planting configuration is now listed. We have now covered how to create a single product site verification planting configuration on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.